Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn about the basic template structure that is needed for Shopify, and you will learn how you can create new templates in Shopify. Let's start with an overview of the Webflow project. The first page is the home page. This page contains 4 sections. When we convert it, we can see the 4 sections in Shopify. You can see that we also have the option to add content. Think of that like properties in Webflow. The content, for example, images or text, is added in Shopify and not in Webflow.
Here I am changing the heading content.
If you want to modify the order of the sections, you can do that here. You can also add or remove sections. You don't have to reflect these changes in Webflow. Once a page is created in Shopify, we ignore the layout that comes from Webflow. Now let's check the Pages folder. We have 3 pages here: Page, Contact, and Thank You. If we want to check them in Shopify, we need to click on Pages, and here you can see we only have Contact and Thank You. The reason for this is because Page is the default page. This page is used when no template is selected. It's a fallback. The next one is the Shop folder.
It contains, for example, the product and the collection template.
They are tagged with the LI, page attribute, and a value. For example, LI, page product. The next folder is the account folder. In this folder are all the templates that you need to manage Shopify accounts.
By the way, you can find all the different page types in our docu.
If you want to preview them in Shopify, you need to generate an account. This is a legacy option. Shopify offers so-called Shopify 2.0 account pages. They can only be styled very little, but can be implemented very fast and have some advanced features.
Here I am activating the Shopify 2.0 accounts.
The last folder is the utility folder. Here are pages like search, password, and so on. You can also create new page templates in Shopify. To do that, click on the page type and then create template.
You don't need to reflect the changes in Webflow.
Click here to watch the next video.